Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Gulf ArabicMaster. Today we are going to learn days of the week in Arabic language. So let us start learning. Sunday, يوم الأحد, يوم الأحد. Monday, يوم الاثنين, يوم الاثنين. Tuesday, يوم الثلاثاء, يوم الثلاثاء. Wednesday, يوم الاربعاء, يوم الاربعاء. Thursday, يوم الخميس, يوم الخميس. Friday, يوم الجمعة, يوم الجمعة. Saturday, يوم السبت, يوم السبت. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more videos, you may please visit my channel and enjoy all the videos which I uploaded. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Have a great day. Ma salama.